Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. India will buy oil from where it gets the best deal and why to Russia. Zelensky calls for talks as peace efforts stall. Police CTD kill 5 terrorists in Upper Dir. Ukraine drone strike cuts output at Russian biggest nuclear plant. Let's look into details. India will continue to buy oil from wherever it gets the best deal in order to protect the interest of its 1.4 billion people, the country's ambassador to Russia has said. Vinay Kumar's statement comes days before US President Donald Trump's 50% tariff on India, including a 25% penalty for buying Russian oil and weapons, are set to kick in. On Sunday, US Vice President J.D. Vance said that Trump had announced secondary tariffs on India to apply aggressive economic leverage on Russia and force it to stop the war in Ukraine. Delhi's increased imports of cheap Russian crude since the war began has strained its ties with the US and impacted negotiations on a trade deal. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said on Sunday a meeting with Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin would be the most effective way forward amid stalled diplomatic attempts to end the war as he celebrated Ukraine's Independence Day. Ukraine launched drone strikes on Russia, triggering a fire at a nuclear power plant as Ukrainians marked their Independence Day, with the conflict now its fourth years. After a push by US President Donald Trump to broker a Ukraine-Russia summit, hopes for peace dimmed when Russia on Friday ruled out any immediate Putin-Zelensky meeting. But Zelensky said Sunday the format of talks between leaders is the most effective way forward, renewing calls for a bilateral summit with Putin. Security forces in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's Upper Dir district filed a major terrorist attack from Afghanistan, killing at least 5 Fitna Khawarij terrorists in a joint counter-terrorism operation on Sunday, according to senior security officials. Intelligence had warned a week earlier of terrorist regrouping in the border regions, prompting police and security units to remain on high alert. During the early morning raid, forces encircled the terrorists from multiple directions, establishing checkpoints at key routes to cut off escape and disrupt movements. A command and control center was also set up to coordinate the efforts. Ukraine launched a drone attack on Russia on Sunday, forcing a sharp fall in the capacity of a reactor at one of Russia's biggest nuclear power plants and sparking a huge blaze at the major Ust-Luga fuel export terminal, Russian officials said. Despite talk of peace by Russia and Ukraine, the deadliest European war since World War II is continuing along the 2,000-kilometer front line, accompanied by missile and drone attacks deep into both Russia and Ukraine. Russia's defense minister said at least 95 Ukrainian drones had been intercepted across more than a dozen Russia regions on August 24, the day that Ukraine celebrates its declaration of independence from the Soviet Union in 1991. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channels DTV NN and Desi Urdu TV.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.